Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn how to write essay on my favorite festival, Holi. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, Holi is my favorite festival. Second line is, I wait for it all year. Third line is, on Holi we play with colors. Fourth line is, I wear old white clothes. Fifth line is, my friends and I throw colorful powders at each other. Sixth line is, we use water guns called pichkaris to spray water. Seventh line is, everyone looks funny with red, blue and green faces. Eighth line is, my mother makes sweet gujia, matri and malpua. Ninth line is, we share the sweets with our neighbors and friends. Last line is, I love Holi because it brings happiness and fun.